Hey there, I'm Bryer.
And I'm Reid from Inline Hockey Training.
And we're here with another video on how to improve your toe drag. The toe drag is a deceptive move you can use to get around defensemen or goalies, or if you just need to pull the puck towards you. Here is an example of a toe drag used to go around a defender. In this scenario, imagine pulling a goalie's rebound out from under his pads and flipping it over his shoulder top shelf. This also makes a great drill. To execute the toe drag, you turn your stick over the puck and pull it back with the tip and catch it on the heel of the stick. The majority of the work is done with the top hand. This is what it should look like sped up. After you have executed the L pattern, you can start working on going across your body as shown here. Notice here most of the work is done with the top hand, and the stick mainly just glides to the bottom hand. After you have done the toe drag standing still, you can start trying it skating around.
Hope that helps. Be sure to keep your eyes open for more inline hockey training videos. And be sure to like and subscribe down below.